Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox one of the best smartphone in the market right now, OnePlus 6. Let's take a look. There is a tagline here, the speed you need. On the back side there is the phone specifications. Like guys, I bought the base variant of the OnePlus. It is a mirror black, 6GB RAM plus 64GB memory, and here it is written as OnePlus 6. Okay, let's unbox it and unleash the beast outside.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard road this.
Here comes the phone. Wow, it looks good with the red accent. It looks good, guys. Let's take the phone outside. Wow, guys, really the phone feels good on the hands. This is a mirror black version of the OnePlus 6. Okay, let's see what else in the box. Is this removable? Guys, even this looks like the case for the phone, but it is not. It is just a top cover. There is something inside here. Let's take it out. And yes, there is the case with. Guys, also the new OnePlus 6 comes with the case on it. It is the owner's manual. This is the OnePlus 6 manual. Let's keep this out. And still there is some books. It says as safety information of OnePlus 6. Let's keep this aside. Guys, also OnePlus 6 comes with some stickers with OnePlus branding. OnePlus stickers, never settle, shoot on OnePlus. Yes, these are some stickers from OnePlus, and that's all, nothing is here. And this is a clear, guys, this is like some black clear cover. I think let's put the phone on this cover and see how it looks. Let's see what else comes with the phone, with the box. There is a SIM ejector tool here. Okay, let's keep this side. There is nothing inside in this box now. And here comes the dash charging. Yeah, I like this. So now you can charge your phone faster. Okay, this is a USB-C type port. Just nicely winded and placed here. And this is the dash charger. Let me take it out. Yes, this looks like a brick, guys. The adapter itself is looking like a brick. It says that it has a power supply of 5 volts 4 amps output. Guys, it has an output of 5 volt 4 amp output. Okay, let's take a look at the phone itself. And here at the bottom, guys, let me take this out. These are some stickers. Okay, this is the back side of the phone. This is the back side of the phone, guys. The back side of it has the dual camera setup. One is a 16 megapixel shooter and another is a 20 megapixel shooter, and there is a flash underneath it, and the fingerprint sensor is located under the flash, and the OnePlus branding and the OnePlus logo is here, and there is something written here like designed by OnePlus. That's all guys. On the back, on the right hand side you have this. On the right hand side you have that more changes, that volume and power on off button here, and wake up button here. On the left side you have the volume rockers up and down. Guys, the OnePlus 6 comes with a full screen display, but there is a little notch on the top where the selfie camera and the earpiece is located, and other sensors are located here. On the top there is only a secondary noise cancellation microphone, and nothing is available on the top of the phone. On the bottom there is a speaker grill and the USB-C charging port and the 3.5mm headphone jack, and the primary microphone is located at the bottom of the phone. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, let's power on the OnePlus 6 for the first time. Here comes the power for the beast, OnePlus 6, and it says powered by Android. And there comes the OnePlus animation. Okay guys, it has successfully turned on. It says hi there. Let's start. There's an emergency call on the bottom, and there's a vision settings on the bottom here. Okay, let's set it up fast. Okay guys, I have successfully logged into my account, and let's continue from there. And it is checking some information. Okay, it's asking for the face data. Guys, this phone has a face unlocking feature. Let's test it out. Let's have a pattern, a simple pattern. Okay. Okay, it says now add face data. Let's add the face. I just have successfully added my face as face to unlock feature. Okay guys, the phone is successfully set up. The setup is successfully completed, and here comes the home screen of the phone. Wow guys, the quality of the display is great. Let me switch it to the maximum brightness. Guys, only now I turned on the phone, and it has an update, Oxygen OS update. Okay, I will update it later. Okay, now let's check out the phone itself. Guys, first let's test out the face unlocking feature. Okay, let me lock the phone. Okay, now let me turn on and see how fast the face unlocking feature works. Wow guys, I'm really impressed how fast. When I press this wake up button, it immediately unlocks the phone. There is no lag in it. Let's try it again. Wow. Okay guys, now I'm wearing specs. Wait, let me take my specs out and test it out. Can it detect me still? Yes. Also without my specs it can detect me. Wait, let me take my face away. See, it's not unlocking. When I tilt it up to my face, instantly it unlocks the phone. Wow, I really like this feature, guys. Okay, let's see the other features. Let me take my specs up. Okay, let's go for the settings. About phone. As it says, this model number as OnePlus 6000 here, and it comes with an Oxygen OS version of 5.1.10 and the RAM of 6 GB and the internal storage of 64 GB. And guys, it comes with the Android version of 8.1.0 Android Oreo. Okay, guys, it already has the system update. It asks for the system update. Let me update it later. And guys, if you want to hide this, if you don't like these buttons here on the bottom, you can hide it by turning on the gesture feature. Guys, also if you don't like this notch on your display, you can hide it by going into the settings and the display settings, and there is a tab like notch. You can see that notch display, and on that you can click on that, hide the notch area. Yes, once you done that, you're good to go. The notch is hidden. See, now you cannot see the notch on the top. Let's see how the camera apps are. Got it. As first, it comes with the rear camera. There are options on the top like time, HDR, auto. Now the HDR is on the auto, and it comes with the 4:3 ratio. Guys, it can go up to 19:9 ratio. Wow, guys, I think most of you guys know about the cameras on the OnePlus. They really performs well. I will do a separate video. I will do a separate review video on the camera for this. Let me check it out. Like the selfie camera, yes. See, it looks good. On the video mode, guys, it can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second videos here, and 180 full HD at 60 frames, and 720 portrait mode. As you have a separate portrait mode here. Once you turn on it, the secondary camera on the top works for the portrait mode. Guys, even the portrait mode works on the front camera. Guys, if you like to see the settings, here comes the settings. Video, photo and portrait options are available here, and there is a slow motion pro mode, time lapse and panorama. On the slow motion, you can shoot at full HD at 240 frames per second. See, you have this option, as you cannot change the settings on the full HD. You have two settings here: full HD at 240 frames per second and 720 at 480 frames per second. You can shoot at two types of slow motion shots here. Okay, time lapse at full HD. You cannot shoot your time lapse on 4K. You have the option to shoot your time lapse on full HD and 720p. guys, you also have a separate mode on this called gaming mode. If you are interested in playing more games in this phone, then you can turn on this gaming mode, which makes the phone performs better and with better graphics on your games. Okay guys, that's it for this. If you guys would like to see the detailed review on this, please comment down below and I will make a separate video for the camera performance of this phone. Okay guys, that's it. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below on the comment box. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more videos. Bye.